I've used my Apple iPhone 13 mini for 3 years. If I change the battery, can it restore its original waterproof and airtightness? The iPhone 13 mini should be the best handling model in the iPhone series, but its drawbacks are also very obvious. After 2 or 3 years of use, the battery life really collapses. It needs to be charged 2 or 3 times a day. A fan asked us to replace it with a super high capacity battery. He wants to use it for another 3 years. After all, the iPhone 13 mini should be the last mini model of iPhone. Some people quietly watch the video, but they secretly like, comment, share, repost, and follow. These people are really cute. Next, please quietly enjoy our standard procedure for transplanting the battery.